Hi everyone. Today I'll be making orange push pop puddings. You know those little push pops that they had when you were a kid? My mom loved those. The little orange ice cream or sherbet that you push up through a toilet paper roll. Yeah, that. So this is supposed to taste just like it, so stay tuned. What all goes into the orange push pop pudding? 1 3-ounce box orange jello, 1 cup boiling water, 1/2 cup cold water, 1 3.4-ounce box instant vanilla pudding mix, 2 teaspoons fresh orange zest, 1 8-ounce tub of frozen whipped topping, additional whipped cream, and orange slices for serving. So let's begin. So take a large bowl, combine your orange jello powder and your 1 cup of boiling water. Mix that until the jello has dissolved. Then add your 1/2 cup of cold water and stir that. After it's all stirred, put it in the refrigerator for 12 minutes. So after 12 minutes, I took it out of the refrigerator. Then I'm going to add the vanilla instant pudding and stir that until smooth. Then put that back in the refrigerator for 15 minutes. So after the 15 minutes has passed, put in your 2 tablespoons of orange zest, and then put in your 8 ounces of frozen whipped cream. And I did thaw mine out quite a bit to make it easier to mix. And then mix that until thoroughly mixed. You want it mixed enough that it's uniform in color, which looks like it's going to be a light, very light orange. All right, so that looks pretty good. So cover it up and put it in the refrigerator for 2 hours to up to overnight. I'll see you after Dave gets home. So here is the orange push pop pudding. Let's see what Dave thinks.
This looks orangey.
It is orangey.
And it's definitely orangey.
That is orange push pop pudding. Remember those little push pops?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what it's supposed to taste like.
Well, it does. It's not frozen, but that's got a really good flavor.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.